What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. That's right. And today we're making pasta Primavera with tortellini noodles. A bit different take instead of the typical traditional noodles. I have tortellini I have to use today, and I have some sausage I have to use today. So we're just gonna make it mix and mash. All right. So what I have here is I have my pork sausage, and the actual recipe for pasta primavera is actually on it. And that recipe calls for a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 onions diced, 2 cups of sliced peppers, minced garlic, cherry tomatoes, flour, chicken stock, salt, pepper, parsley, Parmesan cheese. So we're going to be switching it up a little bit from our traditional pasta primavera to a Dad Simply pasta primavera. Why not? I'm using my Helix pan today because I love these Helix pans because they cook so, like, they just boom start up so fast and get there, and I really like that. So the faster the better we can get finished cooking and get some tasty food in our mouths. Why not? I want all that sausage. I'm taking it out its sleeve because I don't want it in its sleeve. A pasta primavera. How's everybody's week going? We're coming up on, it's only Tuesday. I don't know what I'm getting at. It's really Wednesday for me because I had to work on Sunday. So it's really Wednesday. So over on my stove right there, I do have a big pot of water, and it is boiling for my cheese tortellinis. A big old bag of cheese tortellini that I'm going to be cooking. So we're going to let that sausage brown, get a little color on it, get it all just right. I'm going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning. I love this seasoning. I normally get this for turkey because I love putting it on my turkey, and it just makes the turkey turn out so darn good. A little bit of salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning. That's fine. I'm going to let you pepper. A little bit of this Parmesan ranch. That's just, oh, muy caliente. Of course, you got to have the red chili flakes. Just a little bit. Give it that good little zest. And then Aspen's favorite, she already knows it. It's the pepper. Be careful, this is hot, okay? Good job. I did put my masher. I want to break that sausage down. Not so much where it's like small little pieces of sausage, but good chunks. Some are going to be bigger than others. And that's what I love about Helix pan. Like, I just turn this on. Normally it takes a little bit for my pans to heat up. Not with this. We're going to add a little bit of flour. A little bit of flour. Good at half heat. Just mix that flour on in. Get everything nice and coated. You can add beef or chicken broth, about 3/4 a cup. A little bit of heavy cream, a quarter of a cup. And then a splash of tomato sauce. Trust me, it works. Now, if you want to add your peppers and your onions and stuff in, you can at this point. I'm going to add some peppers in.
No, you can have your new ones that I got you.
Now, with your cheese choice, you have difference of Parmesan, mozzarella, pepper jack, one or the other. I'm going to add in some mozzarella, just a little bit. Yo, I've been filming for about 22 minutes now, and I'm telling you, this is almost done. Like these Helix pans, phenomenal. If you don't have one, get one. Unless you can't afford it, I fully understand. I don't even know where I got this. I think my mom brought it over and gave it to me. So I would have never bought one. But to be honest, I'm glad I have. I'm gonna take a spoonful of my pasta water and just dump it in. Why? I honestly don't know. I see people make pasta videos all the time, and they always do that. They always add a splash of the pasta water in there. If you know why, drop a comment below and let me know. Because I would love to know. I don't want to overfill it. So I'm just going to slowly incorporate my noodles or my tortellini. See what I mean? Now, in that case happens, we can always add in a little bit more tomato sauce. Now, if you want to, you can put this in a pan and put it in your oven. Put some cheese on top, some chaz on top. Take that, spray it. And then pour it right on in. Get that sauce all out. So now with this, I'm gonna take my mozzarella. So look good. I want to add them too. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning for coloring. A little bit of crushed red pepper for coloring, but for flavor too. Into the oven, 350. All right, y'all, we're out of the oven. Put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Just let the cheese get golden brown or cook. And look how beautiful she is looking. Woo, mama. Oh, woo, buddy. Whoa. That is looking delicious. And I know something about stuff that looks delicious, I think. All right. So now, we can try it out. We can try it out. Go ahead. We can try it out. We can try it out. Go ahead. We can try it out. We can try it out. Go ahead. I like this area because it's got more chats. More chats. Oh. Oh. This is simple, y'all. It's cheesy. It's easy. A pasta primavera with brats. Oh, it's looking delicious. Oh man. Time to try it out. Mm-hmm. Yo, it's airy, it's light, doesn't taste heavy. The flavoring is there with the sausage and your sauce that you made. It's good. The lemon counteracts the heat with the red chili flakes, so it doesn't make it as variant or vibrant or whatever you want to call it. Taste tester number 2. Big bite. What do you think? It's good? You're doing a dance with it. Huh? Sissy! Aspen! And y'all, this is something you can make on Sunday and put it in the freezer and then pull it out, throw it in the oven for the week, and have a very fast dinner. You want to try this? You want to be a taste tester? Come here. What do you think? Is it good? You like it? So, y'all, 3 out of 3 on the taste test. The kids enjoyed it. My wife enjoyed it. I enjoy it. And like I said, y'all, for those on the go, like say you got, when you get home from work, you got to take your kid to soccer, to dance, or wherever else you got to go, you can make this on Sunday. Throw it in the freezer. Get one of those aluminum pans where you can put the top over it, or in a cast iron pan, or whatever kind of pan you got. Put the foil on it. Pull it out. Throw it in the oven from the freezer, and it's good to go. Thank y'all so much. Me off my little tangent. Feed these hungry kids. I gotta go get ready because I gotta go to work. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite pasta dish or dinner dish is. What the weather is, the heat, or whatever. Comment what you want below. I love y'all. Thank y'all for being here. Hit the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 2 p.m. is when I post, or I try to most of the time. I do have my mom's my mom's YouTube page, link below, and my wife's YouTube page, link below. And I also do have a Facebook and an Instagram page for Dad Simply Cooking, where I do try to post on it. Thank y'all. I love you. Y'all have a blessed day.